Conservation of resources. For a comfortable and fast life, we have been using the natural resources recklessly. This has resulted in a major depletion of the resources, deforestation, and soil erosion, and scarcity of minerals, fossil fuels, water, and electricity are just the name of few. It is time to stop and take measures for this situation. Each of us can play a very important role in saving our earth from these destructions. First step is resource conservation. Resource conservation means using the available resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. This will ensure that the present requirement of resources is met. But what about ensuring the availability of resources for future use? That is, sustainable development is the answer. Sustainable development means balancing our present needs of using resources without compromising the needs of future generation. Here are some basic principles of sustainable development that we can follow to ensure that our future generation can live in the comfort zone. We need to respect and care for all forms of life, including humans, animals, plants, and other organisms. All life forms are dependent on the Earth's natural systems. Therefore, we need to conserve the Earth's ecosystem and biological diversity. Non-renewable resources such as oil, coal, gas, and minerals should be used carefully. The golden rule of conservation is the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. To reduce consumption, first and foremost, buy and use less of commodities. Only buy those things that are required. Reduce consumption and wastage of resources. Make cards with friends with recycled paper instead of buying them. Walk or ride bicycle wherever possible. This will reduce the consumption of fuel and thereby air pollution. Switch off lights and fans and other appliances when not in use. This will conserve electricity. The second step involves reusing resources. Instead of throwing them away after one use, reuse plastic cups, plates, and bags. Use old clothes creatively to create a new piece of garment or accessories. Recycling reduces pollution and wastage of energy and raw materials. Create your own recycled paper. Use products that come in recycled containers. Look for the recycled sign. The future of our planet and its people depend upon how we maintain nature's life support system. It is our responsibility to preserve and conserve the resources provided to us by our Mother Nature. So here we end with the topic, and I hope you'll have understood the topics of the chapter. Thank you.